Okay, in addition to all the low clouds out there, I want to point out something else that you're going to notice in the sky likely later today. And we could see it yesterday in the afternoon from our camera on the Salesforce Tower looking east. Take a look at that view. See all that haze in the distance? In fact, as the sun gets lower, you're going to see it much better. Right there. Look at all that brown haze out there. That's not normal. That is the layer of smoke from a wildfire to our south, which, because of the way the winds are blowing in California, that smoke is being brought north to us. At this point, it hasn't registered unhealthy levels of air quality down here on the ground. But as we get into the next 36 hours, for some inland locations, you might start to get some issues with it. First off, let's set the scene here. Where's that smoke coming from? Here's what we looked like from space just as the sun was going down, and we filmed that time lapse. See that right there? That plume of smoke, that's Fresno County, and that's the mineral fire. At last report, it's only got about 35% containment on it, and it has taken off to about 25,000 acres. So it's a fairly sizable fire. We don't hear much about it up north until we start to see the smoke from it. And you'll likely notice that again as we go into this afternoon and to tomorrow. One way we can track how that smoke's going to behave, if we put the fire down here, these are the upper level winds that are right now transporting all that smoke our way, and they don't change today, but watch Monday. By Monday, there's a subtle shift, and the winds start to go a little bit more westerly, which means even though Monday morning, tomorrow, we're likely going to wake up with some of this smoke around, by the afternoon, things should start to clear out. So more on that. If we need to keep a close eye on it, we'll keep you updated. For right now, air quality readings at most are moderate. If you smell smoke, though, when you're outside, that's your clue Monday morning. Probably not the best day to go for a jog. San Jose, cloudy start. That's different than yesterday. Oakland, no different. Cloudy start. And here in San Francisco, no change at all. Right there, there's the Salesforce Tower. So that thing goes way up here. And no views from that this morning. We're too socked in. 59 degrees in Concord. San Jose, 62. San Francisco right now sitting at 58. We'll take a look at today's daytime highs, which are going to be virtually identical to yesterday. That means mid to upper 80s down here in the South Bay. San Jose's 86. Sunnyvale's 82. Union City goes to 77. We'll go to 89 in Concord. Walnut Creek hits 86. San Ramon 85. Danville 88. Oakland tops out with a 72. And San Rafael goes to 80. Santa Rosa goes to 81. But look how much warmer it gets as you get into Mendocino County. We're going to be 3 degrees shy of 100 today in Ukiah. 7-day forecast shows not a lot of change. A little bit cooler this week, maybe on Tuesday, as the onshore surge gets so strong, we keep the low clouds even over the far inland valleys. But other than that, today is a good way to just kind of set the cruise control in your mind for what much of the weather's going to look like this week, although the marine layer will get deeper and go farther inland much of this week. Today it won't be all that gray.
Yeah, you taught me something. I've been looking at the haze throughout the week thinking it looked like a fire. When I looked in the immediate Bay Area, there wasn't any, so I was a little baffled by that, but you've answered that question.
Yeah, and here in California, as we get into fire season, we're finding now it doesn't matter almost what part of the state you're in or where that fire is. If it's big enough and the wind's blowing just right, you can get an air quality issue.